Hey y'all, Digital Learning Day, week 2, day 5, and number 1 says which is the equation for a linear function that has a slope of -6 and a y-intercept of 2. Remember, with a linear equation, we want to be in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So if the slope is -6, that's going to be y equals -6 times x, and the y-intercept is 2, so it'll be plus 2. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Y equals -6x plus 2 is a linear equation, or an equation of a linear function with a slope of -6 and a y-intercept of 2. On number 2, it says, what is the value of n? Anytime we have power to a power, we need to multiply. Our rule here is multiply. So 3 times 2 is 6. So this would be 7 to the 6th power. So n equals 6. Number 3 is one of our scientific notation problems that we can use a calculator on. So I entered this into my calculator, and each calculator will be a little bit different. This calculator is a little bit different than the one we use at school, so I had to do things a little bit different. The one that you have on your Google Classroom might be a little bit different, but ultimately we should get that this problem is 3090. Number 4, what is the value of 4 squared raised to the 2nd power divided by 4 to the 4th power? The first thing I want to do is this power to power up here. So remember, when we have a power to a power, we want to multiply, and that's what we just did up here. So we're going to multiply 2 times 2, so that's 4 to the 4th power over 4 to the 4th power that we're going to bring over here. And then when we are dividing with like bases, we are going to subtract. So this would be 4 to the 4 minus 4 power, which is 4 to the 0 power, which further simplifies to 1, because any number raised to the 0 power is 1. And number 5, Luke gives guitar lessons. He charges $20 per hour. That's the number that I'm going to be multiplying by something, plus a one-time monthly fee of $10. Anytime we see that one-time fee, that's going to be our y-intercept, or our beginning point. If he spends 5 hours working with a student in September, how much money will that student owe him for the month? So we have that one-time monthly fee of $10, and then $20 an hour for 5 hours. And then 20 times 5 should be 100, is 100. Plus the one-time fee of $10 is $110. So that student would owe him $110 for the month of September. You guys have a great day.